guys, so in the next couple stories you're gonna see how I create this look, so if you want to see the tutorial, just keep tapping through. If you're new here and you don't know about me, hello, I'm Gina and I go by Nuna MUA on all my socials. In this channel I'm going to be teaching you how to create these beautiful eyeshadow looks in the easiest way possible. If that's something you enjoy, then please consider subscribe. Alright, so to start off I'm going in with a primer. This is from ColourPop, and I'm only going to prime the upper crease area because I know I'm gonna cut the crease here. I don't need to apply any product on here, so I'm just gonna be priming this. So before going in with eyeshadow, I like to go in with a gel liner just so I can mark where the eyeshadows are gonna go. It just helps my eyes visualize it better. I'm gonna be going in with the Manifest Ooh from Revolution. This is the first time I'm gonna be using this palette, and I will pick up this pretty magenta shade right here, just on one side of the brush. And because we have this drone, I know now where I'm gonna be going. I will just take my time patting it in. I don't care if it goes down because we're gonna clear it up. So I'm just gonna take my time and stamp it. This shade is really pretty. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't even take the time blending the gel liner because it's just gonna get covered. And even here, we're gonna go with like a darker shade, so it's not even gonna be seen. I'm gonna do the same on this eye and I'll be back. Now that it's completely blended, I'm gonna go in with this. Oops, don't worry about this, we can clean it. But I'm gonna go in with this darker shadow here, and I am going to go below the current shade and just deepen it up a little bit. Use a fan brush to remove like the excess shadows off. Now I'm going with the Ice Cream palette from Glamite, and I am taking like the deep, it's called Black Cherry, I believe. Yes, Black Cherry, and just again further deepening the darkest part of my crease. To further finish the crease, I went in with the Bougie AF, again from Revolution, and I'm just adding it at the outer part of my crease. Alright, so for my micellar water, I'm gonna be going with the Garnier. So I just put a couple on the like my table, and I'm gonna wipe this off real quick because it's like tilting me. This part is always so satisfying to me, but it's not as fast again. Just take your time and like map out what you'll clean up. Clean the excess shadow on like a paper towel. Let me show you guys. Like putting the excess right here. We're almost done with this eye. I will do the same here and I'll be back. Alright, so for the inner corner or like the lid, I don't know if I want to go in with this shade, to be honest. It looks kind of dull for me. I do like this one though, like creamy, like maybe like end it with like a really light pink here. Sorry, light white. But what do I put here? So let me see and I'll be back. Okay, I kind of have an idea for where this is going. I did it here. I'm going to replicate it here now. Hopefully I can do this while facing the camera or looking at the camera. Okay. So basically I'm just lining the outer corner. I'm just going to like flick it in a little bit. Now with any like black shadow, just tap it in. I forgot the primer on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with the same primer I used in the beginning. I don't want it to touch the black, so I'm just gonna put it here and then. Now with any black shadow, I'm using the J-Cat one from, what's this one called? Storm Stimulation palette. And I'm just tapping on the outer corner. Now with the same palette we used initially, we're going to blend it with the black. Like so. So I've decided on this shimmer. It's called Life Coach, and I love how it looks right here. So we're gonna create it now here. So the first thing I did is I went in with the white. So all this is bare, don't worry. I just want to make sure my white is placed so I don't take the golden like too over here. So I'm just gonna tap the white shade and pack it on. Alright, now that my white is in a consistency I like. Oh my god, I picked up too much I think, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh, this The shock shadows from ColourPop are so blinding. They're like, look at this. Wow. Every time I use one, I'm just amazed. But don't worry about blending it with the pink right here. I'll show you a trick. I am just going to blend it with the white. And I'll blend it a tiny bit onto the pink, not too much. And now, so we can blend this right here, I'm going to wipe off the colors from my brush right here. Oops. I don't want any shimmer on it. And I'm gonna go back in with the palette I initially used. Grab some of this pink shimmer. And I'll grab it on here and blend it with the gold. I don't think it's gold, but like, you get what I mean, like this. I guess it's gold. And I'm just gonna blend it here. Alright, I really like how this is turning out. I think what I'm gonna do is line the eye. You just line your eyes like you usually do. This takes too much time, so I'm probably gonna cut. I noticed that this got a little bit dirty, so I'm just going to clean it up again with my micellar water. This is totally optional, but if you like glitter, just go ahead and go use it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I just feel like it adds such a nice touch to the look. I'm only adding it to the center for this look, right where the gold was. For the bottom lashes, I just do like little hair strokes. For lashes, I'm using the ColourPop Flirty Witch, and this glue is from Kiss Lashes. Apply the lashes, and that's pretty much it. However, I do want to use, oh my god, I've been obsessed with this shock shadow. It's called Moon Lion, and it's like a duochrome. I'm gonna grab a little bit, and I'll just put it on the bridge of the nose. I don't even know if it fits, but like, it's too pretty not to use.